before I show you what happened before a penalty or the penalty, ne? Watch this. But look, that's why the intention, if you start the game, ne, by saying you want to kill off the game first half, aggression, then second half you can relax, it's possibly 2 or 3. Because at 1-0, one mistake, we are dead, the league is gone. I've said it many times, guys, Guti, you have to kill off a game, because Eastern Downs will always give you silly goals. They'll always do a silly mistake. Now, watch. It was a corner kick, yes, Stellies. Stellies, Siyaba pressa. Now, ball goes back. Now, I want you to look at this. This is Umutib, This is Umutib. So, when the ball goes back to the keeper, everyone needs to go into their position. We have to keep a shape here. Our defensive shape. Everyone, right back. So, okay, everyone. But they don't do that. Watch. Long pass. Look at where Umutiba is. This is Uzwani la. Why would you have that? You had time to shift across. You had time to shift. You didn't shift. Okay, sharp. Now, Mfanagit. Penalty. Bati, a wise man learns from other people's mistakes. A wise man learns from other people's mistakes. Ukekana put his foot up, ne? Wakashelu umuntu bathi red card. There was no need for you, Mfanagiti, to lift your foot there. Besingekho isidingo, boy.